Well, life, it's getting more expensive, and that's why we spend a little time every morning asking the question, where's the money to help you save and plan your financial success? And there may be changes coming to taxpayers in the district this tax season.
Now, the Senate voted on a resolution that could upend D.C. tax law. Our Jess Arnold joins us in studio to explain how this could impact you. Jess.
Yeah, well, the disapproval resolution will likely pass the final vote today and shake up filings mid-tax season. Now, it requires D.C. to apply the federal tax code changes to its local taxes, which district leaders like at-large Councilmember Robert White warn will have a ripple effect on city services.
D.C. is really getting robbed again. Less than a year after Congress took $1 billion from us, they're going to blow a $700 million hole in our budget. That is not okay, and people who have already filed taxes are going to have to refile.
At least a dozen other states have separated their local taxes from the federal changes to preserve their revenue, including some red states like Alabama. Now, D.C. decided to, quote unquote, decouple, that's what this is called, its taxes to fund a child tax credit and try to replenish its revenue. Republicans who led the charge to overrule the district's decision say that this bill helps families, service workers, and law enforcement keep more of their own money. Some of those federal tax breaks include no tax on tips or car loans, exemptions for seniors, and an increase to the standard deduction. Now, throughout all the back and forth, the conversation keeps circling back to D.C. autonomy and congressional overstep. Here's Maryland Senator Angela Also-Brooks.
And the fallout would not only impact businesses in D.C., but also spread to businesses in surrounding states like mine. Adopting this resolution of disapproval would make us agents of chaos, and we would be breaking decades of precedent to do it.
Now, if you live and or work in D.C., keep an eye out for any updated guidance on filing your taxes, especially if you already submitted your return. We're going to keep you posted on today's vote, guys.